Robstar Junior Academy. I'm in grade 6. My name is Calvin Wamuti. I'm 12 years old, and the project is baking. We will be baking a cake using rubbing method. The requirements were 2 kg of flour, milk, 10 eggs, half kg of sugar, solid oil, baking powder, and we also needed a whisk, sieve, sufuria lid, sand, salt, mixing bowl, wooden spoon, food coloring, vanilla essence, butter, and also chocolate. We cracked the eggs and put them in the mixing bowl. We then added sugar, milk, and butter, and then heat the mixture. We also melted the solid oil for it to be liquid. After that, we added 4 flour, food coloring, and baking powder, and mixed it.
We are learning.
After 2 grueling hours, we have finally finished baking. This is the cake that we baked. It's looking good, tasting well, and beautiful.
We are ready to taste it.
Yes. Start giving our teachers.
Thank you.
And we don't want to forget one teacher, and this one is for teacher Ken. Lastly, our very good manager. Who else doesn't have Viola?
Ever since I thought.
So this is the end of our project. My name is Calvin. Bye.